Hi everyone, welcome to channel Mr. Sol. Today we are going to start a Google Earth Pro training course, and first of all we need to know that how to download Google Earth Pro from the internet. It's an open source software. Then we will learn how to work in this software. So first of all go to your browser and write there Google Earth Pro, and here is the first of option for the Google. You can download from the Google official website. Click on the first link and go to the website. Here is three options are available on top. Google Earth on web, you can use it on web. Just right click and open in new tab. After click on this button, launch Earth, and here is an option for the mobile, and third option is for desktop. We need to download for the desktop. Just click on that, download Google Earth Pro on desktop, and click on accept and download option. Click on OK, start download. It will download 1.31 MB file. Click on open, and it will require the administrator permission. You can click on yes, and it will be download just like a Google Chrome, and it takes some time depend on your internet speed. After the downloading, it will automatically install, and you can see that the option is available for the downloading is replaced by installing. You can check out it's showing installing option, and Google Earth Pro is installing on your computer. You can check out that installation is complete. Click on close, and here is an option available. Google Earth Pro is installed on your desktop computer. Double click on it and open. Here is the first interface of this software, and you can check out. This is the welcome intro, and here is some tips are available. You can read that. It will guide you about this software. Here are the startup tips. Just click on close because we are going to learn step by step by using this tool. And here is the file option. You can check out that, and in the next video we will overview these options, and we will start our learning the series of lecture, and we will complete learn all of their options by using this tool.